Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to demonstrate this rice stitch. Look at this rice, and this is the right side, this is the wrong side. It's very easy pattern. We are using only knit and purl stitches, and it's only 2-row pattern. It's very easy, and we need multiple of 2 plus 1. I already did. I got 7 sets of multiples and plus 1, and 2 sets of 7 is 14, and plus 1 15. I am going to do with 15 stitches. I cast on 15 stitches already. I am starting with first purl, and this pattern we need to knit through the back loop. This one, normally we do loop like this time we need to do back loop. 1 knitting through the back loop and purl, and again back loop through the back loop and purl again knit through the back loop and purl, and knit through the back loop, purl again, knit through the back loop, purl again, knit through the back loop, purl again, knit through the back loop, purl again. This is our first row. I'm going to do second row. Second row we have 2 rows to do, only 2 row pattern. Second row we knit all of them. Whole row we are going to knit. It's easy, isn't it? Normal knitting, not back loop, normal knitting. This is our row 2. Now we are going to do third row, but we don't have third row. We follow the first row again. First row, second row. It's only 2 row pattern.